So this is my dress up because I am today in the Bavlok place. So I not wear the white because I saw I have this t-shirt. Okay, let I wear it because it's very cold here. It's raining whole day today, so it's very difficult to find the place. Today little bit sad. Also having meditation because from the morning not getting place. Little bit sad. Lost energy. And right now is around 5:30. So my finished dhyan. So today I did 4 rounds around 1.5 hour, 1 and 20 minutes, 1 hour 20 minutes, and around 5 hours. So it's very experience today is not much because now I understand about the body a little bit small. I not understand all, but I understand small. So now it's completely working on my cleaning chakras, and I felt that when your chakra open or not, it doesn't matter. I don't know. I felt when you work for the chakras, you it's open or not, it's go directly up automatically. Come up your consciousness. This is chakra. So today I go again. It's more a little faster. This all happen, and is think I felt something in the last meditation because in the last meditation I cry a lot. I cry a lot. I don't know why. Because 2 dhyan I finished in there, other mountain. Then after then I cry a lot. But why you not giving me the place? Because I was here. I was here in the last. Now we stuck here on the Agya Chakra. And I can feel here very fast. I can jump here. What happened? Morning dhyan, 1.5 hours like a Superman. Wow. I say, oh my God, I'm very good. You eat fruit. See, I have fruits. I need to eat the fruits. Mango. This must need to the meditation people. I eat food or no, but I am very weak. My hip become very small, you see. No, now my body completely. I need, yesterday I buy a lot of things. Okay, so let's come into the topic. I cry a lot on the way. Why you not getting place? I go like this and I come back again. Here, this mountain only. And then I was here. I think I will be continue here. On that time, on the way, I listen some spiritual songs. So I am feeling emotional and I feel cry. I'm crying. So I go today. How I sit in meditation, in the 2 minutes I go into the dhyana, into the body. Not dhyana, body. Let I take my consciousness here, there, every. Now my body is not connecting with any wings, anything. I felt that it's connect already. My 1, 2, 3, 4 chakras, I think I feel like it's connect my all body connect, right? I think. And now I have to spend the time to make it eat and take a rest and make it inner strong, huh? Because if you open chakra today, so it's not open today. No, it's open 2 or 3 days. Take time because you eat something like that. Yesterday meditation very amazing. So yesterday night I am like a blown. And today I am the meditation too much slow. Too much slow, understand? It's like you know breathing. One level come like this. You know breathing. I say what happening? I'm here or no? My body. 2-3 seconds is happened. I go into my breathe. No body. 1 second. Zoop. Where is it happen? Vishuddhi Chakra. I'm in the dhyana. You like, zoop, what happened? I not wake up, I just wake up like this. The last round I sit here and here dhyana. I'm little bit scared that somebody doing behind. I say nobody here. Why? How? Who coming? I say do not open the eyes, please, Pawan. I say okay, God help me. Whole 1.5 hours. Pud. Somebody doing something like that. Because nobody can touch. I know. I can understand. This energy cannot let anybody. But if somebody there can do like a ghost or something like that. God also take the exam. So I was here. And then I'm very, very tired. So I say no need to do fast. Do slowly. Take a rest. Next round, I say okay. 5 minutes I took a break. I don't know. It's true or no. There is some secret. You know, where I done here, I susu here this side. Small grill. I susu there. So there some drop go down, fall down. And after 1 hour I wake up, meditation, and I saw here lots of ant. And I say, oh my God, if ant come to me, I die. Because even one ant come into the body, you can't concentrate. So I clean it now. Now it's raining again. So I not believe. I say let I leave it. I not believe. I susu another side next time. Huh? Then again finish my dhyan. I see, oh my God. So there is something on my urine also now. So that it can attract people. Oh my God. I don't know what will happen. God help. At the last, I am very happy of the meditation. Thank you, God. Make me happy today Dhyana. He make me like you people are in the dream, right? I mean dream, into dream, and to dream no more. 2-3 times. I am down. Can you believe it? My mind, in the between of the meditation, when I finish, I take a break. I was slow motion completely. I say what happened to me. And if I see somewhere, my focus all go there. Completely strange. Slowly, my body completely become changed every day. But now I'm from the morning. I not eat anything still, huh? Just drink 1 cafe. Not 1 cafe. I asked another man also 2 cafe coffee, small, because it's make me a little bit energy. Slow motion stage. Like I go this chakra, go here, one breathe. It's like 1 minute. I saw one time I say, oh, why is not breathing? So I feel that there is a breathing, yes, but you are in the chakra. Your consciousness, your chetana come into the chakra already. You are into the chakra. It's like you're in the Muladhara. And you stop breathe. And he's make you like this. I'm scared on that time. They make you close like this. You can feel that. The all chakra. You are in. So 2-3 places happen in Muladhara. One Swadhistan already, and so Muladhara, Swadhistan, Virdi. Heart chakra is, I think, open already because my heart is very good. I'm very good helping people. Just funny, my friend. So that's what nice experience today. The second day, my successful dhyan. Very happy, and I'm mad. I'm tired. You tired like you die. I promise. If you just thinking that you need to power to do something, and if you do dhyana, take a teacher and become a yogi, and some teacher help you to make a Shaktipat, so it help you, but it's not right. When you learn from the ABCD, you know the how to breathe, how you connect your breath into your chakras. When it's connect your chakras, your body, your mind, your soul all change. You understand? Change. You behave. You become a God person. You can feel every day small change on you. You see somebody, oh my God, you cry. Like you can feel the pain of the other. You can be into them. Okay, I tell you. What happened today? I go to the toilet, okay? In the toilet, I see this, in the between of the dhyana finish, second round. I see the small, it's like an ant, not ant, it's little bit big. In the mountain area, a lot. I put the water like this at front of him, because I think he can drink water. So I think that he can drink water. So on that time, I felt, I was in the meditation. I feel that how the water, his water is how he can feel how much water, because it's very small. I will same like him and feel the water, because your conscience, your level, your chetna, consciousness. I need to learn this word. Is a good news today. In the first and second round, have a Vishuddhi Chakra fighting around 3 hours. But 3 hours still not open there. And I standing like this. And my chakra and my chetna want to join. I do tratak 10 minutes like this, standing. Because he want to join. But I don't know, my body tired, small or something like that. Okay, so leave it, okay. Another thing, after then, when I sit in the dhyana, is connect already. I can feel. How I eat fruit? Very. It's like I'm not eating. Some another inside body eating. Okay. Today this journey only. I think tomorrow I will clean all chakra 1-1. Muladhara, Swadhisthana 1-1. I don't know. I'm thinking that. But I don't know. Because your plan is different, the God plan is different. He always have a different plan for you. Okay. So no need to think a lot. Okay. So next fruit. Must eat fruit. I think I will eat. Then I will go to the Dalab today. It's raining now. You see the raining? Show you. Okay. So see you next time. I'm excited. It's all mountain.